So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get instant followers on TikTok. So let's begin. So first of all, let me show you the results. Okay, so all of this I have gained followers. These are like using the same trick I am going to show you right now. So I have gained like 86 followers without any kind of content. Okay, so if you have a good content, so you can get more followers than me. And yeah, these are my results. So let me show you what you need to do. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the search and just search the popular TikTokers, okay, who have like huge number of followers, like 60 million, 50 million, 30 million. Follow that kind of accounts. Okay, so one of the example is this girl, Charlie D'Amelio. I don't know, I don't use TikTok that much, so I don't know, so just follow her. And you can follow the recommended followers or suggested followers of her. So I have followed some of the TikTokers who have like some huge number of followers, so just follow them. After that, what you need to do is you need to unfollow them, okay, one by one. Okay, but you need to give some gap in between, okay, while unfollowing, so that TikTok does not ban your account. Okay, so you need to follow them again back. Okay, just give some seconds, okay, before following and unfollowing. Give some gap of some seconds. Okay, after that you can just unfollow and follow back again. Okay, just like I am doing. So you need to give some gap at least, otherwise TikTok is gonna ban you. So I have done this. Now let me just see if, oh my god, just as you can see, I am getting tons and tons of followers. So yeah, this is just right now, and I'm getting one more. And as you can see, all are just now. So I'm just making this video and I have got this much, and I have got another one. So I don't know why here it's not updating, but I will show you. So this is literally working trick. As you can see, I'm getting tons and tons of, so these are all just now, okay, followers while I'm making this video. So again, this is not the healthier or the long-term thing. Okay, you can get followers, but I cannot assure you that these followers are going to engage with the content. So this is just for increasing your followers, just to show up your numbers that you have this much amount of followers. So if this video helps you out, make sure you hit the like and use this trick very wisely, otherwise TikTok is gonna ban you, as I told you. So I hope this video helped you out. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comments that this worked out. And till then, I will see you in the next video.